guest.
All right. Hey, you know, we're talking about things you love, smoothies, juicing. Joey's on the juice. And, you know, today a lot of folks are going to go for the barbecue. And it's okay, but there are healthy foods out there that can keep you full and keep your weight down, so maybe you can substitute. Sabrina Price joins us. She's with Transforming Bodies and talking about how these smoothies can fill a gap in your diet and keep you from going crazy and eating something bad.
That's right.
Right? Good
That's
morning
right.
to you.
That's right. Good
Now, you
morning.
brought a blender and you brought some smoothies. I'm hearing and seeing a lot about the green goddess smoothies and the green smoothies lately. What is in that?
Well, with the green smoothie, I really call it Spentini.
Okay.
And the reason being because it's like apple martini mix.
Okay.
And it's also spinach.
That's a good way to get that spinach in, isn't it?
Yes, because a lot of times people are in a hurry, on the go, and they're not getting their veggies in like they need to. So just pop your spinach in the blender, put you some almond milk in there, a couple of other things in there, your flavoring, spin it up with some ice, and you're ready to go.
Now, is that better for you than eating a big salad?
Well, anytime your vegetables are blended or juiced, then yeah, they are better because it's like the assimilation is much faster. You don't have to
get it right
anything.
in. Yeah.
Yes,
you don't have to digest it.
Exactly.
Really. I did not know that. That's interesting. You know, this is a great way to start losing weight too, and that's how you all got into it at Transforming Bodies. You're a workout place where folks come to get fit.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. At Transforming Bodies, the owner Roland Guinness, he actually is really big with clients keeping their diet clean. So the smoothie nutrition bar is something that he decided to put in about 8 months ago, which has been just marvelous. You know, after the workout, the clients, they're able to stop by the bar and they're able to get their protein shake in or their smoothie or what have you.
All right, you've got some others that look really good here. What is this orange one?
Okay, this
it looks good, like a dreamsicle.
Yes. This orange one is what we call the orange sled, and those who have been at Transforming Bodies, of course, know what the sled is. It's a piece of equipment we use.
Oh, I know what you mean.
Everybody love to hate.
Love to hate. Yes.
So it has oranges and mangoes and just all the tropical, and it's a really happy, refreshing smoothie. Now, all of the smoothies actually have about 24 grams of protein in them.
Whoa, now that keeps you full too, right?
Yes, it does. And then it also helps to build lean muscle. So they're really tasteful.
What is this? Is that chocolate?
Yeah.
Let me move to the camera there.
Yeah, I wish I had my spoon here because if you taste a bit of it, you will be able to tell me exactly what that is.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna risk the white jacket here. It's like the Butterfinger.
Yes.
Hello, it's like a Butterfinger.
Some people say Butterfinger, and some people say a Reese's Pieces.
Right. Okay. Is this good for me, or is it like eating a candy bar bad?
It's like eating a candy bar bad, but it's really good for you. The carbs are low in it, the protein is high in it, and the calories are low in it. A lot of times I have clients to try this smoothie, and they call the owner back, Roland, and they say, okay, Sabrina just served me a smoothie. Is it healthy? Is it good for me?
And it is.
Yes, it is.
If we want to come, they're wrapping us up. If we want to come buy this, what is this one called?
That's called the Big Row.
The Big Row.
It's named after the owner.
All right, can I hang on to this?
Yes, you can.
Tell people where to go.
Transforming Bodies Training Facility at 2876 Directors Cove. That's Memphis, Tennessee, 38131. We welcome you.
There's a phone number on the screen, 276-1773. How many carbs in this Big Row?
It's only 11 carbs in the Big Row. It's 28 grams of protein.
Sweet. All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining.
Thank
It
you.
looks fantastic. We'll be right back.